Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make Amla face mask that will help to improve your skin. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of Amla powder. That is rich in vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acid. It will help to hydrate and soften the skin. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water will help to balance the skin natural oil, tone the skin, reduce redness and hydrate the skin. Making use of 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains lactic acid, which will help to exfoliate the skin, remove dead skin cells, brighten the skin, and help to reduce wrinkles. So I'm going to mix to combine. Adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey will moisturize the skin, lighten scars, and soothe the skin. So when I'm done adding, I'm going to mix until well combined. Finally, the Amla face mask is ready. You can apply this on a clean washed face, leave it to dry or stay for about 30 minutes, then you can rinse your face and moisturize. This Amla face mask will help to increase your skin quality because Amla contains vitamin C, which will help the skin to retain water, moisture, and keep the skin to stay hydrated. Hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.